Stomp your feet, swing your trunk. It's the elephant A to Z funk. Come and sing, come and play. Learn the alphabet the elephant way. Elephant says A to Z. Come sing the alphabet with me. Stomp, clap, dance around. Learn your letters with jungle sound. A is for apples, crunchy and sweet. B is for bananas, yummy treat. C is for clapping, let's clap loud. D is for dancing, join the crowd. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for friends who sing along. G is for jiggle, laugh with glee. H is for happy, just like me. Elephant says A to Z. Come sing the alphabet with me. Stomp, clap, dance around. Learn your letters with jungle sound. I is for ice cream, cold and nice. J is for jumping, do it twice. K is for kindness, share today. L is for learning every day. M is for music, play that song. N is for numbers, count along. O is for orange, juicy and bright. P is for playtime, what a delight. Stomp your feet, boom boom, swing your truck, zoom zoom zoom. Alphabet party, sing out loud. Elephant's letters make us proud. Q is for quiet, shh, don't shout. R is for running, roundabout. S is for sunshine shining down. T is for trunk, the best in town. U is for umbrella, keep dry inside. V is for victory, arms open wide. W is for water, splash with me. X is for xylophone, play happily. Y is for yellow, bright like the sun. Z is for zoo, where learning is fun. Elephant says A to Z. We sang the alphabet, you and me. Stomp your feet, clap your hands. Alphabet learning never ends. From A to Z we had such cheer. The elephant says see you next year. We have next year.